You need something, they're giving you the mini version. Here you come again. Look at it.
Is it coming over here to me?
It's a robot. Yeah, he's coming over here. Oh, it's the and the thing coming this way. He walking back. And look at the kids. Look at the kids. The kids are in love with it. Oh my goodness. And he stopped. Elon Musk
has arrived.
He has arrived. And this is his army. This is the small version right here.
That's crazy.
This is the baby version of the police. Look at he's waving at them.
Oh my goodness.
He's waving at the kids. Got the kids in love with it. And it's going to snatch their mama and daddy right out their arms.
Don't say that.
It's going to pick up the kids and take the kids with them. I'm telling you what the thing going to do.
Shh, I'm recording.
What? Oh. They said that. Look, all the kids running out to see it. They saying, hi, robot. Look at the kids,
I want the robot to come back over here.
He coming back.
Hey, excuse me, sir.
Could you move out the way?
Can you move out the way?
Look, they call YNs, Jill.
No, don't do that.
Okay. Mine's went off.
How you feel about it. The writing's on the wall. Tesla is getting ready to take off. If the price of TSLA feels too heavy right now, let me put you on game. Is a double leveraged play that mirrors Tesla's moves with way less capital. Strong delta, low theta decay, longer expirations for cheap, perfect for stacking shares or running options. At M.B.U, we teach you how to use tools like this to grow, protect, and multiply, not guess. Tap in and stop sitting on the sidelines. Disclaimer, this content is for educational and entertainment purposes only. It does not constitute financial advice. All investments carry risk. Do your own research. Manu Banner is not a licensed financial advisor. The M.B.U Group is not responsible for your financial decisions. Any third-party content used falls under fair use for commentary and analysis. Please consult with a licensed financial advisor before making any investment decisions.
That is crazy. Look at all those Cybertrucks, man. That is comes at a full stop sign. No one driving, man. And man, this is. I want to go here. I want to go where this is in Texas, man. Austin. This is amazing. If I'm allowed to go in, I don't know, but this is awesome. Look at the thing. I mean, the thing is driving on its own. The thing is driving on its own. It's on the highway. It's taking a left. There's nobody in the car. Look at the camera on the right bottom corner. There's nobody in the car. Imagine you're driving. Look at this right there. There's nobody in the car. This is absolutely flipping creepy. This is crazy, but this is why I'm all in Tesla stock, because of this reason. Look at this. Imagine you're driving on the road and you see this. What the heck is going on? This is awesome. This is why. This is awesome. I don't know what to say. I am shocked. I am shocked. Bless the United States of America for allowing such innovation to happen. Nowhere else in the world will allow this such thing, which is awesome. This is absolutely awesome. Look at this, man. Look at this. I love it. Oh, that's a Cybertruck that's taking video of this whole thing.
Big opportunities in life have to be seized. We don't do very many things, but when we get the chance to do something that's right and big, we've got to do it. And even to do it in a small scale is just as big a mistake almost as not doing it at all. I mean, you really gotta grab them when they come, and because you're not going to get 500 great opportunities. You would be better off if when you got out of school here, you got a punch card with 20 punches on it. And every financial decision you made, you used up a punch. You'd get very rich because you'd think through very hard each one. I mean, you went to a cocktail party and somebody talked about a company, you didn't even understand what they did or couldn't pronounce the name, but they made some money last week and another one like it. You wouldn't buy it if you only had 20 punches on that card. There's a temptation to dabble, particularly during bull markets. In stocks, it's so easy. It's easier now than ever because you can do it online. You click it in and maybe it goes up a point and you get excited about that and you buy another one the next day and so on. You you can't make any money over time doing that. But if you had a punch card with only 20 punches, you weren't going to get another one the rest of your life. You would think a long time before every investment decision, and you would make good ones and you'd make big ones. And you probably wouldn't even use all 20 punches in your lifetime, but you wouldn't need to. Yep.